It was very well organized. And like congratulations to all the team and to our department. I would say for organizing this extremely, we can say, successful workshop, because I have attended a similar workshop earlier. But the level of the speakers, the level of the variety of the topics that were selected for this workshop, so they were exceptionally well, and it was much better than what I have attended earlier. That's why I said like, it was really a great let's say intellectual treat for each one of us. So thank you so much again, and thank you for giving me a chance to speak. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Saladikar, sir. Jalwadi, sir.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, myself, Sunindar Narayan Jalwani. I am working in Rajaram Babu Institute of Technology, and I have been undergoing this program at FPP, and it was a really very nice experience, and the exposure that what we got in this that 5 days FPP that program, it is really a remarkable one. And to make this program so much successful, there are a lot of people who are doing the retail work, and especially bringing all the excellent the speakers from the India and abroad. It is not an easy task. I think the DKT and its team, Professor the Badkar sir, HOD, all the team members, since they were working for more than 3 months so rigorously. So because of that, we are able to enjoy for this that 6 days. Once again, I congratulate